Most people get this wrong. They assume all budget-friendly wireless carriers are the same. But the surprising truth is that Cricket Wireless and Visible serve different needs depending on coverage, pricing, and perks. Cricket Wireless runs on an NTS network, which means strong nationwide coverage and reliable speeds. Plans start at around $30 per month for a single line, and you can get discounts for multiple lines. Cricket offers family plans, data rollover on some plans, and a range of phones to choose from. You won't believe what happens next. Unlimited data plans are throttled after 22 GB, so speed may decrease during congestion. Visible, on the other hand, operates on Verizon's network. It offers a simple plan, $40 per month for unlimited talk, text, and data with hotspot included. There's no throttling until the network is congested, and you can join a party pay group to reduce your monthly cost to as low as $25. Visible is all digital, so you manage your account entirely through their app. The choice depends on your priorities. If you want physical store support, flexible plans, and family options, Cricket is better. If you want a straightforward digital plan with potential discounts and Verizon coverage, Visible is ideal. Pricing, network preference, and phone options should guide your decision. In conclusion, both carriers have strong points. Cricket Wireless offers reliability and in-person support, while Visible focuses on simplicity and digital convenience. Assess your coverage needs, budget, and whether you value store access or app-based management to pick the right one. Subscribe for more honest wireless comparisons to help you save money and stay connected efficiently.